morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yeah, just 1 second.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine. Just 1 second, children. So we all love to keep plants. Even we keep the plants indoor also. A few pots in inside our room, inside our hall also. Why we keep plants, children? We keep plants because they give us oxygen. And even the green color, it is the resemblance of peace. We feel very nice, we feel very peace if we see the green color. They, the green color plants, they are, they even, the flowering plants, if we look at the flowers, we feel very nice, we feel very pleasant. And even, what is the reason, children? What do plants give us?
Yes, ma'am. Oxygen.
Sun. Yes, they give
Ma'am, it takes carbon
Oxygen
dioxide.
and food.
Oxygen.
yes, yes.
Oxygen.
Okay, yes, mute all. Yes, Devishi, you have any doubt? Devishi, raise the hand.
Ma'am.
That's good. You have raised
Yes,
the
ma'am. Ma'am, course book.
Yes, Devishi.
Ma'am, course books can I?
Yes, course books
Ma'am,
are
course
free
book
to
can I
children.
bring today?
Yes, you can. You can come and get the course books, children, from the school. Okay.
Ma'am, I already have my course book, ma'am. New course book.
Start. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the classification of plants. Okay, children. So if we see, there are so many number of plants around us. So many types of plants we can see around us. Like there are big trees. There are small shrubs. Shrubs are very small, isn't it? They are not big. Herbs, climbers, creepers. There are so many different types of plants. Even they have varieties in plants. Like in human beings, the human beings, they are, some are fat, some are thin, some are very tall, some are stout, aren't they? And they even vary in colors also. Even the plants also, they show variety. They are, some are very big, some are very small, and some grow on other plants. So today we'll see how many varieties of plants are there in the classification of plants. So here, if we see some plants like the trees on the screen, you can see a tree, a big tree, herb, shrub, climber, and creeper. So we'll go in detail about all these children. Firstly, we'll see what trees are. Trees are tall plants that have thick, hard, wooden trunk, isn't it? It have a big, thick, very wide wooden trunk. It is very wide. If you just want to grab it, keep your two hands and try to grab it. Can you? No, because it is very wide. Yes, Hanvita. Hanvita, you have any
Ma'am?
doubt? Yes.
No, ma'am. That time you asked question, no, ma'am. That's why.
Put your hands down. Harsh, you also. Okay, children. So the trees, if you just try to put your hands and try to hug it, try to hold it with your two hands. Can you just do it? No, because it is very wide, because they are big trees. They have wooden trunks. branches and leaves. So how many types of parts do you find in a big tree? I'll give the chance. I'll ask this question to Vilohit. Vilohit, unmute yourself. What? How many parts do you find in a tree? A big old tree. What do they have? How many parts they have?
6, ma'am.
Can you just name them?
Stem,
Hmm? Yes.
buds,
Hmm.
um,
Yes. And what is the main important part? Without it, the tree will die. What is that part? Yes. Hitansh, can you just tell me? I'll unmute you, Hitansh, 1 second. Yes, Hitansh. What is the
Ma'am,
main important part?
ma'am, root, ma'am.
Yes, root. Okay, thank you. Yes, so root is the main important part of the plant. And what is the part on which we get the fruits and all, Harsh? On what part? What are the
Branch, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am?
good branches. Yes, Harsh, branches. And what all we find on the branches?
Branches.
Yes, leaves.
On
If
branches
we find leaves, fruits. We find on branches. So
yes, ma'am. Leaves.
the main important part on the for the survival of the plant is roots. The roots are the most important parts of the plant, children. They go deep in the soil.
Hello, ma'am.
So, yes, Harsh, you all can hear me, children? Yes, you all can hear me? Am I audible to you all? Yes, Hitansh? Yes, Hitansh. Hitansh, you can speak. Just
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That time you muted me, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible to you?
Ma'am, your voice is yes, ma'am. Now
Okay.
you're audible, but sometimes it is
Yeah,
breaking.
because of network connection problem, it is breaking now. Just 1 second, children. Yes, children. Yeah, because some network problem is there, so that's why even your camera is also going off, and even my voice also is not audible to you all. So, yes. So we'll continue now. So the most important part of the plant, if it is not there, then the plant will die. It is the roots. The roots go deep in the soil. So because of that, the plant is survives. So the plant survives. Even the roots, they provide nutrients to the plant and help in anchoring of the plant in the soil. What is meant by anchoring, children? What is meant by anchoring? Yes, Hanvita. What is meant by
Ma'am,
anchoring?
ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am. Can you tell again?
What is meant by anchoring?
Anchoring.
Yeah. Anchoring, the roots, they anchor the plant deep into the soil. Yes, Sabinika?
Nothing, ma'am. Ma'am, I think you have network problem. That's why.
Okay, okay, Srinika. Yes, Harsh, can you tell me what is meant by anchoring?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Anchoring is nothing but they just fix. They they play an important role in the functioning of the plant. They bury, they just go deep into the soil and they give nutrients. Nutrients are the most important things which are being provided to the plants. Like you even have get the nutrients from the food you eat, isn't it? What are the different types of nutrients, children, which you get?
Ma'am, carbohydrates, protein,
Yes, good.
fat,
Okay, that's good. And in the same way, the plants also they get nutrients. But the nutrients which they need is different. The nutrients which they get from the soil are different from that which we get. Because human beings are very advanced type of uh, they are very advanced type of organisms. We are very advanced because we need more amount of energy to move, to survive, to live, isn't it? We are different from plants. Plants, they stay at one place, but they give us oxygen. Even they need some nutrients. They need some uh, sunlight for photosynthesis. The process for their survival is different to that of the human being. So we'll see now how the different types of trees, they are survive. They survive, how they live, and what do they need to survive, and what are the different types of plants are there. So we were talking about the trees. So trees, they have different types of, they have different stems, their width is different according to their age. I mean, so many years they live. If the plant is, if the tree, they live for so many years, the width increases, they stem, the wooden trunk, it will become very wide and the branches will spread a lot, isn't it? The examples for big trees are neem tree, banyan tree, goa tree, coconut tree, isn't it, children? Aren't they? These trees are there? Yes. So there are trees on which we get so many number of fruits, delicious fruits. There are trees which do not bear fruits. There are some trees which do not have fruits at all. Some are flowering, some are non-flowering. There are so many types, different types of plants which we see around us, which we are going to learn now. And coming to the next after trees are herbs. What are herbs, children? Herbs are the soft plants, the small herbs. They are very small. They don't grow big. Herbs are generally short and they do not have branches. Like big trees, they don't have branches. For examples, coriander. You have seen coriander plants? They are called as herbs. Basil and coriander. You usually use it in curries, isn't it? You use it in curries. So these are small herbs. And now coming to shrubs. So I'll just show you the picture of these so that you'll get an idea. So here you can see in these pots, small pots, they are growing mint, they are growing coriander. They do not need a large space and they won't grow big like big trees. They are very short. These are the herbs which you all can see. Okay, children.